How to change the cabin air filter in your Kia Niro EV. This is a 2024. A lot of Kia Niros and a lot of Kias and Hyundais work in a very similar way, but there can be little differences. But anyways, this is a Kia Niro EV 2024. How to change the cabin air filter that you're going to want to do from time to time. The hardest thing, just got to order a new one. Once you order a new one, they're very easy to pop in. I'll put a link to where you can get one. But it's going to be in the glove box. We're just going to pop open the glove box here, and then we have this little hinge here that's holding the glove box on. So you're just going to come in, and you can use pliers if it's too hard to do this and kind of pinch this down, but you really don't even need that. Just with the force of your finger, you can usually just kind of pop this off like that. Just, be a little bit careful. This is plastic, it will break. So once that's off, then you can see right in there, there's a hinge in there, and there's the same hinge on the other side. What this is going to do, you're just going to basically kind of push the plastic in order to release that hinge out, and that's going to pop. This is really easy to do with two hands. I'm trying to do it with one hand so I can show you, but you kind of wiggle the two back and forth over here until you can pop this out of the hinge, pop this out, pop this out. There we go. And your glove box goes down. Now what you're going to do from here is, this is the air filter here. We just have these little notches here, and then you can see it there's a notch that slides in here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to release this from here. We're going to push this down and pull this cover out, and then slide this out here, and then our filter is right here. Pull our filter out, and you can see this filter needs to be changed, so we're going to slide the filter out, get a new filter, and slide the new filter in, and then come in and just basically do the reverse of everything. You're going to slide this notch in here, pop this down over here until it clicks. There we go. Put this, like this popped all the way off. We just need to get this back on its hinges here. So then you're just gonna make sure these two notches go back in like that. And then you just need to get this back over here. Push that in there. Close your glove box and you're done.